What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today, our unboxing for our May company for Year of the Beard, Beard O Beard Company. So stay tuned through the intro. Welcome back. So, like I said, unboxing for our May company, and check out this box all the way from Canada. It made it to my house pretty doggone quick, I can say that, to come from Canada. So we're gonna dive into this. This is Beard O Beard Company. So let's see what we got. So today, bringing out a different knife. So we're gonna be using the Travex knife to get into this box. So let's see what all we have in this massive box. Try not to cut anything. All right, let's set that there. Check that out. So far, packaging is on point. It is amazing. So we've got Beard O Beard Products, hairy face stuff. Check that out. All right, so we got that. I'll set it to the side, and then we have a letter here. Hi Doug, thanks for the opportunity to showcase the Beard O products on your channel and social media platforms in Year of the Beard. We are only a little over a year old and are trying to find our place in this community as a trusted and reliable company and product line that everyday guys can use with knowledge that they are getting the best quality available to them from us. I hope you enjoy the hairy face stuff you have received, and thanks again for the great opportunity. Take care and all the best. Owners of Beard O Beard Products, Ian Jones. There it is. So there's our letter. So let's see. I don't know how long this is going to take to get into, so I'm probably going to not talk and just start unboxing and fast forward this video for the sake of time and for you guys. So let's just dig in. Okay, so now we're going to slow down the video for a second, and I'm just going to talk about just the packaging here. So check this out. Each one comes in its own box with its own label. So this is Beard O Premium Beard Oil, Bahama Rama, the hairy face stuff, 1 ounce beard oil. All right, so then these boxes, let's see, Beard O Silky Butter and Hypnotic scent, 2 ounce. And then we've got what looks like beard wash and possibly beard conditioner. So we're going to get into that in a minute. So I'm going to fast forward again as I take all this stuff out of the boxes. Let's go back to this. Before I fast forward, check this out. All right, so it's in its own box. Okay, we've got its own box. Taped shut. Then we pull out the bottle. And we have bubble wrap and shrink wrap on the lid. So a lot of time and effort goes into these packaging these products, and that is pretty remarkable. So pretty awesome. Kudos on the shipping and the packaging already. So yeah, we're gonna fast forward till we get everything out of the package like that. Okay, now, we did a little fast forward just so we didn't have a 20-minute video just in the unboxing, because this is a lot of products. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go through these, and I'm going to give you first impressions and show you this. Now, I do know that Beard O Products just got some new graphic labels now. So if you've used these products before, you probably don't have the same labels as I do. So they all have new labels. So check out this label. That just looks so cool. So this one is Dragon's Blood. Ingredients on the oils: jojoba, argan, avocado, camellia, pomegranate, and fragrance oil. So Dragon's Blood. Let's give her a good shake. Now I do not know, this is true first impressions. I don't know what any of these scents are. Ooh. That one is, I definitely pick up some vanilla, and there's something else in there. Almost has a little bit of a sweet hit to it, but it's vanilla and some other stuff. It smells very, very complex. So, Dragon's Blood. Now, with this many products, I don't have a clue how we're gonna do updates. I'm just gonna have to figure that out as we go. So this one, let's see. Highborn. Check that out. All right. Let's give it a shake. All these are amber glass dropper top bottles, 1 ounce bottles. So Highborn. Oh yeah. That is cologne all day long. That smells so good. All right, cologne. What's next? Canadian, eh? That's just fun to say. All right, so you've got your maple leaf and a beaver. Let's see what this one is. What is Canadian A? Oh my God. That is maple. That is, oh, that smells so good. You wear this one, people are gonna be hungry for breakfast. That's what I'm gonna tell you on that one. That one smells really good. All right, so what is this one? This one is Debonair with a tiger. Check that label out. It's kind of simple, but yet very unique. Got a tiger smoking a cigar. All right, Debonair. Okay. That's a cologne. That's a cologne I've smelled before, but it's a cologne scent. Pretty clear oil. I'll have to look at the website on that one. That is a, and I'll get actual, when I do updates, I'll give actual, what the website says, scent descriptions. This is more just me, first impressions, what my nose picks up. But this is definitely a cologne scent. I just cannot put my finger on. It's a familiar cologne. I've smelled it before. And I haven't wore cologne in a while, so. All right, what's next? Hypnotic. All right. Here's that label. Let's see. Okay. Almost kind of, it's kind of subtle. It's not real loud. It just smells like a manly scent. I mean, it doesn't smell anything crazy. It just smells like a manly scent. Manchurian Dragon. Check that out. Got the dragon scales in the background with the dragon on there. So, ooh, that is fruity. That smells really good. I can't tell. I want to say blueberries is what I pick up first, but this is very, very fruity scent. All right, what we got next? Oak Barrel Cider. Let's check that out. All right. Let's see. Okay. Kind of like a cider. I mean, it just smells, I get the cinnamon. It smells good. Again, it's another one of those that's kind of subtle, but it's a good scent. Bahama Rama. Check that label out. Okay. Let's see. What is that? It's got some sweet notes to it, but I can't pinpoint what that one is. That one has, they may all stump me, but that one has really stumped me. I may be wrong on half of these, but this is what my nose is picking up. So what is this one? Tahitian Vanilla. Of course, we hope we should smell some vanilla on this one, right? Let's see. This is the last oil. Oh man. That's a different vanilla. That's not your normal vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. That just smells smooth. All right, so now we have butter. Is this butter? Silky Butter. This one is the Manchurian Dragon. Oh, that's that fruity. All right, what's the next one? Oak Barrel Cider. So we've got the same labels, they're just a little bit smaller. Well, kind of the same. All right, so our ingredients on the butter, we've got shea butter, almond butter, pumpkin seed butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, essential, and our fragrance oils. That one is that cider. I get that cinnamon. The cinnamon is what hits me first, and it's not bad. I mean, it's a good cinnamon. So, yes. And if I haven't mentioned, Beard O Products is based out of Canada. This one is Canadian A. Oh, that's that maple. Oh, it smells like pancakes. Oh, maple syrup. Man, that's making me hungry. And then last butter we have is Hypnotic with our psychedelic label. Oh, what is that one? Just kind of a manly scent, almost cologne-ish, but not really. I mean, I'm ready to get this in my beard. All right, so now we have Unscented Beard Wash and Unscented Beard Conditioner. So we have these. So let's see if it's unscented. That is unscented. It smells like soap. Not a bad smell. Smells like soap. Ooh, that is thick. That is very thick. Does it have a scent? And I think I have some on my nose. So, that is what we have to go through for the month of May. And I can tell you, if you can't figure it out, it's going to be a very, very busy month. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 9 beard oils, 4 beard butters, and a beard wash and a beard conditioner. So we're going to have a very, very busy month. There will be a link in the description below for Beard O Products to get over and check them out. If you want to go check out the website, we'll talk about it throughout the month. But if you want to get over there and check it out, got to figure out how I'm going to do these update videos for the month, because it's going to be a lot of products to talk about. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to stay tuned for the updates. And yeah, until next time, I got a mess to clean up. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.